Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading po ito for Leo. Ayan, take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, no? Kasi hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Leo sa mundo. Sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jane Tarot Trader, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook, sa Messenger, ayan, sa TikTok. And also, meron din akong TikTok guys, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Pwede kayong mag-avail doon ng mga products like mga evil eyes and mga crystals, bracelets, etc. Start na natin ang reading. This is for the sign of Leo. Messages for Leo, please. Messages for Leo, please. Okay, so eto na. Song shuffle na lang po. For Leo. For Leo, you do have here the Five of Wands. Okay. I feel like yung iba sa inyo pwede nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo, and hindi magandang surroundings yan sa paligid mo or maybe sa kung nasaan ka, no? Nakakita tayo ng mga pag-aaway dito. The Fool is here, so I feel like gusto mo mag-start ng something na bago eh. But something is stopping you. Pwedeng yung spirit guides mo or yung angel guides mo or they are stopping you. But you are thinking about the future. Iniisip mo, kasi ganito, kailangan sa future, ganito, ganyan. You are concentrated masyado sa future, but, hindi mo matapos-tapos kasi nga, may mga bagay na pumipigil sa'yo. Kung bakit hindi mo matapos yung bagay na gusto mo simulan. Parang nakita natin, maraming aberya, ang daming problema. But with the Five of Wands, gustong-gusto mo ring ilaban na din kasi kahit medyo mahirap, kahit masyadong challenging. Kasi gusto mong gumawa ng pagbabago. Okay? Anong messages sa'yo pagdating sa love? For the sign of Leo. Messages pagdating sa love. You do have here the Nine of Pentacles and Nine of Swords. I can see a person na parang nakikita ka niya as someone na magaling mag-advise, especially pagdating sa money or whatever. The problem with this person is hindi siya nakikinig, ano. Nakakita tayo ng person na namomroblema ngayon regarding money. And, maybe this person, pwedeng na-i-open niya na regarding sa'yo to and yung kanyang pera or yung kanyang savings or whatever. It's like it's not enough. It's not enough. And, I want to clarify itong Nine of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. Please clarify. The stars here. Ito person na to, meron siya pangarap, meron siyang goal. Ngayon, hindi niya makuha ngayon yung goal niya kasi ang dami niyang obligasyon, ang dami niyang problema. And, tell me more. Ngayon, ang mahirap pa dito, parang feeling niya mas napalayo siya ngayon lalo sa kanyang pangarap. Lalo na may mga problema siya dito. Ayan. You could be dealing with someone who is stable, King of Pentacles, and with the Temperance. So, ibig sabihin, kung siya ay may pera pa naman siya. Hindi pa naman sabihin na nating bagsak na bagsak tong taon to. With the Temperance, kaya tinutuloy niya lang kung ano yung pangarap niya, kung ano yung gusto niya mangyari. But the Three of Wands, this person miss you. This person miss you. Anong emotion mo patungkol sa person na ito? Anong emotion mo patungkol sa taong to? Emotion mo, you do have here the Two of Cups and the King of Swords. You see this person as a past person. Part of you gusto mo ng reconciliation, part of you gusto mo ng ending. Oh, Three of Swords is here. Maybe you want an ending regarding a third party situation. So, pwedeng may third party na involved sa inyo nitong taong to. And you want na magkaroon ng ending or separation. For your person, anong emotions niya para sa'yo? For the sign of Leo, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. Nawala ako. Bakit ganun? So, you might be dealing with a Virgo. Nabanggit ko ang Virgo. Gemini is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay lang kahit di ko nababanggit yung zodiac sign ng person mo, ha? Or person mo kung ikaw itong... or ikaw kung ikaw itong cross-watcher. Anyway, for Leo, this person loves you. And gusto niya ng something na mas mag-level up sa connection ninyo in the future. This person, if you are friends, gusto niya ng deeper level of commitment in the future. Gusto niya ng more than friends. Kung kayo ay magkarelasyon na, you are in a relationship, gusto niya ng marriage. This person wants more. Pero hindi pa ngayon. Sa future pa, no? So, why? Oh, the High Priestess is here and the Magician. So, dalawang major arcana. So, feeling niya kasi may spiritual connection din sa inyo. Ramdam niya yon. And itong person na ito, this person is always praying for you. Pinagdadasal ka niya. And each time, or every time, na ipagdadasal ka nitong taon to, there's a lot of sadness, a lot of kalungkutan. Minsan, kahit sa sarili niyang dasal, nagsisinungaling siya. Hindi ko alam kung paanong pagsisinungaling. Pwedeng sinasabi niya, sana ganito siya, okay siya, ganito, ganyan. Or sana, but I feel like kung ano yung nagiging problema sa connection ninyo, parang gusto niyang, the other way around. Diba? Pero ayaw niya namang humiling ng hindi maganda. So, ayun, sana nagigets mo. Iba yung gusto niya mangyari sa dinadasal niya. So, may halong emosyon, may pag-iyak, etc. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Page of Wands. I can see communication, the Hermit and the Queen of Cups. Puro major arcana, ha? The Moon is also a major arcana. Pisces energy, the Empress, and the Magician. Ang lalim ng connection ninyo na taong to. Clarify the Three of Swords, please. Three of Swords is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles. Nakakita tayo dito actually ng separation. If you're dealing with someone or if you're dealing with another person, may high chance of separation doon. Nakakita tayo ng magandang communication sa inyo in the near future. Like maybe yung pwedeng nagiging balakid sa connection nito which is lumalabas sa third party. Yung third party can be a person, can be a family member, ganyan, na nagiging hadlang sa inyo. Ganyan. Basta someone na nagiging, the Three of Swords, nagiging problema. Nakikita natin na medyo nababago ang sitwasyon. Kasi with the Magician and the Empress, this person is inspired in the near future, pero nagbibigay sa kanya ng inspirasyon is the Hermit and the Queen of Cups. Yeah, that's the Virgo energy. You could be dealing with a Virgo or you are a Virgo. Nakakita tayo ng magandang communication dito. And both of you are inspired, especially with the Queen of Cups. Regarding dito sa Three of Swords, which is the third party, yun nga, pwedeng a family member or yung nagiging hadlang sa connection ninyo, maybe someone na may relationship. Nakikita natin may usapan pa rin naman with that third party, pero may kinalaman na lang sa pera. Nothing to do with love. I don't see any love there, but I can see communication regarding money. So sa inyo, may communication, and I can see that your King of Cups is here. Nandito na si King of Cups mo. If you are the Queen of Cups, this person is the King of Cups. And I feel like there's mutual understanding, mutual respect, and pagtutulungan in the near future with the both of you. And the Strength card, mas matibay na connection sa inyong dalawa. This person is coming back. Hindi siya sure kung anong gagawin, especially financially. But this person, I can see this person has a lot of plans. May mga plano siya because this person, nangyari na lahat ng mga gusto niya mangyari. Pero hindi ka pa rin nito kayang i-let go. That's the energy. So this person is coming back. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.